Hey, if y'all haven't already, go ahead and make sure y'all hit the subscribe button for me, gang. While y'all let it, go ahead and jump to Instagram and follow your boy, man. We got bangers coming. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jones and 8 back with another motherfucking banger, back with another video for y'all boys, man. We on the road to 150 subscribers. Y'all make sure y'all get us there, man. Got this good POV ride today. Just getting off work. I ain't get y'all one of these in a good minute. It been a whole bunch of me. But you know I had to come back to y'all something. I see a goddamn hit. That's not anything. I about to say Hellcat. I see a Challenger up there. See if we can catch up. Yeah, we can catch up. That's a Scatty too. Look like a Scatty. Can't really tell. But we're gonna get this good old ride in. Hopefully this traffic clear up some. Once this traffic clear up some, we can really get us some good pulls. Damn, tripping. Hope that goddamn music won't goddamn too loud. R.I.P. Big Frozen though. That's what we listening to. No hands too. Y'all know how I get down. Gotta show y'all something too, man. I done put 2 little mods on the car without telling y'all. 2 interior mods. Something slight. I know if y'all seen my little short. We got the LEDs jumping. Excuse the car mat, the weather mat all dirty. I make sure y'all turn on the notification bell for the videos that we dropping so y'all see the bangers firsthand as soon as they come. I had to bring y'all a good POV. It's been a little minute. I hate when the camera do that, man. We going 60. Get on their ass real quick. Trying to do something. We got way over there though. Gang. Road on. Yeah, that was one of the mods though, man. We put the LED lights through the front and the back. I'm gonna make sure I drop the clip for the nighttime jump so y'all can see like a better version of it. And then we got the courtesy door lights. I'm gonna drop the video for that jump too, man. Let me know what y'all think. If that's a good mod or not. Seen some people in my shorts comments say it was alright, you know what I mean? I have that stuff in my V6 Challenger for real. Get out of there. Yes, sir. Train ball. I see a car trying to keep up. I'm going this way. He was trying to keep up. I would have raced his ass if I was going that way too. But we going this way. Yeah, to get this ride in, gang. Damn, what was that? That shit was sweet. I hope I got that motherfucker on video. This is where all the traffic and shit come in at. Okay. Little motherfucker moving. How the hell my camera keep making the number look like that? I see that good pull, man. 5 speed, 8 speed, whatever speed. We gon' speed. Only in Mexico. Cause they don't play that shit in the United States. Oh, I should've went on the other side. Street 100 behind me. You moving too? Where you at? There you go, Ace. Now we pullin'. See, traffic so ugly, man. Ain't nowhere for me to goddamn really pull at. But this how y'all would be if y'all was, know what I'm saying, driving y'all SRT8 390 392. Motherfucking Scat Peasy. Somebody told me stop calling it a Scatpack because that's a downgrade to the SRTs. So you wouldn't throw a RT badge on the SRT, would you? I was like, yeah, that kind of fucking makes sense. I ain't even gonna hold you. I never slap a RT badge on my goddamn SRT. I really need to go ahead and put them down. Stars in the roof. That's gonna set it off. Shit look way better at nighttime. Gotta hurry up and get us that wide body kit too. I hit that wide body. Once I put that wide body kit on this motherfucker, and then I change up the tail lights, the headlights and the tail lights, motherfuckers gonna be on this shit hard. Watch. They already getting my props for the SRT8. I got it already. So when I got down, really do what I want to do to it, it's gonna be over. It's gonna be over for niggas. That motherfucking car braking. Ain't nobody by his ass keep braking. See, man, how they do niggas in traffic out here. Then this car in my rear view trying to hurry up so I can't get over. Shit terrible shit. See how she do, niggas? Oh, that's why I was moving like that. I had it in manual the whole time. I didn't even know. I ain't even fucking know it. I ain't even know we was in man. It wasn't no videos out there for me when I was trying to get this motherfucker. I hope I'm helping somebody that was like, dang, I seen the SRT8 and I don't know how it ride. But I wouldn't recommend nobody get one that's like older than 2011, I believe, because before that they was like, I think they was 370s, so they was only making like 425 horsepower. Then they stepped it up to get us the, they want to say 475, and then they get a Scatpack 480, but whatever. That shit all the same. Guess if I get the 8-speed transmission, we might get a little bit more power out of that. The only way I can see myself really doing that is if my transmission was to, knock on wood, something happened to that motherfucker. So hopefully don't nothing like that ever happen. And we be alright. Keep forgetting I'm in manual mode. Roll this window back up. I forgot where I gotta go to my mom's house for a year. School time, so it's a little bit of traffic right here. Turn y'all back on once I leave my Duke's crib. I'm finna pull up there in a second to do a game. I'll be right back. Well, my mama won't there again, so figured I'd turn the camera back on. Give y'all that little pop right there. That bit sounded good too. We in the goddamn school zone, so we gotta slow it down. It's 25 in the school zone. We gotta break it down a little bit. Y'all see the lights? Got them back there too. Y'all see the red? Ain't really dirty. Just gotta, you know, play with it. But that's the courtesy light, and you can see the lights lighting up. So it's better when it's at nighttime. Can't really see shit right now, but decent. It's probably about to be a fucking continent light. Yeah, I know what I say about the continent lights. That's the light that got down. Pearl got hit up at. Shit take forever to turn red. That nigga was at that light for like 5 minutes. Menace to Society, my favorite movie though, so you ain't never seen that. You probably don't even know what I'm talking about. Be on the way to the motherfucking crib though, man. Y'all make sure y'all like the video, subscribe, comment, all that. Drop the drop the comment, like the video, so we can keep bringing y'all bangers. We can end up getting paid for these bangers we bringing y'all, man. Sliding in the motherfucking SRT8 on the regular. Look, somebody right there got no bitch ain't. Like a regular nigga. See no badge? Yeah, we in Little Mexico. When I go back to Virginia, they do got a lot of fucking cars though, man. They don't got just bullshit out there. They got Hellcats. I don't see too many trap houses. That nigga Ross say he be in Virginia, but I ain't bumped into him out here. Yeah, I be DMing him, trying to see if he trying to race, but I don't know. If y'all see this, y'all here at this point in Tail Rock, he raced me when he in Virginia, man. Get some good content. Ain't nobody trying to race me for real. I've been calling motherfuckers out. I've been calling everybody out. Even though they might smoke me, I'm still calling niggas out. Cause they don't play. They don't play, man. Cold air intake. You know what I mean? They don't play around. Ain't no slouch. She move when she want to. How I want her to. You know what I mean? Feed her that good 93. And she at how I want her to act. But yeah, gang. Y'all already know it. We on the road to the 150 subscribers, man. Get us there. I know y'all like these POVs that I'm getting, y'all. So get us there so I can give y'all the mods and everything that y'all want to see. Get all the power out of the SRT8 that we can get. You know what I'm saying? Thanks y'all for watching. Y'all watching to this far, and y'all really fuck with me. So we going up this year, 2023. Don't forget it. Right now we still in the beginner stage, but know what I mean, a couple months from now when we go up, I want to go back and watch this video and be like, damn, see, I was in the beginner stage and now I'm here. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna stay consistent with it. There go a nighttime little view of that jump. Can't let y'all see me. I'm still in the work clothes, man. You know what I mean? Shit right up. Look better when I step out the car. Do some shit. So yeah, we just now about to be to the crib. Y'all see we twinkling. And then when we open it though, we got Dodge right there. You know, a couple mods for the game, man. See the lights from the outside. Walk up on that motherfucker. Yes, sir. We back.